Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download your Canva projects in 300 DPI. So what you need to do is go to Share, then click on Download, and then over here in File Type you need to select PDF Print. Do not choose PDF Standard, choose PDF Print. This is the format that provides 300 DPI resolution. And after that press Download, and then you should be able to save your PDF file with 300 DPI on your PC. There you go, we're gonna save it on the desktop. Okay, and now if you of course don't want to use PDF format, you want to use like JPEG or PNG, then we need to use a converter that will change our PDF file into a pretty much image format. And for that we can for instance use smallpdf.com website, which allows us to convert a PDF file into a JPEG image. So let's go to convert on this page, let's choose our file, and let's choose our PDF file. And now let's take a second to let the website upload. And after that, at the right side, we can choose to convert to image, and then we can choose convert entire pages. So let's press convert. And now we have to take a second in order to convert to image, and then we should be able to download it, like so. So let's press download. There we go. Let's save it on our PC, and then we can open the file. And let's right click, let's go to file info. And as you can see, we have size info 300 DPI over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.